Let's go into the scientific notation. All right. This is called the scientific notation because, particularly in science, you tend to work with very, very small or very, very large numbers. So they came up with kind of a shorthand way to write it. So example 5 on page 90 says, the mass of the moon is gigantic. All in kilograms. Okay. So write this number in scientific notation. So the rule for converting to scientific notation is, the important part to remember is where my decimal goes. So my decimal goes to the right of the first number that is not a 0. So if I'm moving this way, which is my first number that's not a 0?
3.
Okay, so I'll have a 0.3, and then whatever else. So 7.3. Then I need to count. How many places did my decimal move? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So you added the 3? You included the 3?
Well, I have to, right? Because that's where my decimal is. So when I see a number that's written like this, this tells me the decimal place is really 19 places that direction.
So you find the last 0, go 1 to your left, put a decimal.
Yes. So whatever digit is the first one after all your zeros, that's where the decimal goes.
So I see a silly question. What if you didn't have any zeros? You just have to write the whole number out.
Then you can't use scientific notation. It only works when you are dealing with zeros. So what if this was 273?
You just change the 2 down below and everything else is the same.
Okay, my decimal still goes 1 unit past the zeros. Now, if I have a number like this, 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11, what does that tell me about my decimal?
It's going to be to the right.
It's going to be to the left. Right. I always remember that because the negative is on this side of the number. So I need to add zeros going this direction. So I need to add how many zeros?
11.
11 zeros?
10 zeros.
10 zeros, right? I have one decimal place after. So how would I write that out? 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros, and then
6, 6, 7.
6, 6, 7. So that would be my answer. So that's the constant of gravitation. So, just a shorthand way of writing big numbers. What if my problem says convert to scientific notation? Where should I put the decimal?
Between the 2 and the 5.
Okay, between the 2 and 5. I'll have 2.537 times what?
Negative 8.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the negative 8. So scientific notation, everyone okay with that? Yes?